everybody, and welcome back. Today we are doing another Cooking with Kids episode. This is the kid, Jonathan. He's gonna help me make and show you how to make some really awesome and easy St. Patrick's Day treats. This is how we do it. All right, so first step is this. I've got a parchment lined cookie sheet here, and we are just going to layer down some pretzel squares. All right, so go ahead and grab some. Okay, for our next step, we're gonna take some Rolos. I have the dark chocolate kind. You can do the milk chocolate if you like. And we're gonna obviously unwrap these because nobody wants to eat the foil, right? You wanna eat the foil? No, not really.
No.
Okay.
It probably tastes like a nickel.
It might. We're gonna put them that side up. Ready, Freddie?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Okay, this is as much as one bag of our Rolos dark salted chocolate made. And so we are gonna pop these into our oven for just a couple minutes on 250 degrees, just to make them melt enough to stick to our pretzels. We don't want them melting all the way. Ready? You want me to carry it over there, or do you want to carry it over there?
You're good.
Okay. Okay, ready, Freddie? Okay. Did we lose any? Good. Okay. 2 minutes. All right, our 2 minutes is up. We're taking them out. Oh, yep, perfect. All right. See how shiny those are? That's perfect. We want them to hold their shape. You can shut that. We want them to hold their shape, but get it to adhere to our pretzels. How hot are we? Not really. Okay, we're gonna set it over here to cool. While we're doing that, I'm gonna show you the next step. We have here Airheads Xtremes, the sour kind.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to open this up and we're gonna cut them for little rainbows.
Got an extra piece.
An extra piece? It's just a bent piece. Okay, so we are gonna cut them probably about, what's that like?
An inch?
About an inch? Okay, let's do that. Okay, that's our template. We're gonna do about an inch. What's that, like my pinky?
Okay.
Okay, cool.
About.
All right, go for it. Awesome, that works. All right, let's see if we got enough. All right. That smells good. All righty. Do you want gold first or do you want the rainbows first?
Rainbows.
Rainbows. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our rainbows like this, like so. We're gonna stick them right in the front like so. Okay, make sure it just kind of touches. We want it to stick on. All right. Sorry for reaching. Here, we're just gonna grab a couple. Heck yeah! It's like we planned it that way or something. Nice. Very cool. Okay, last step. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
For our pot of gold, we have gold sugar. Now, I got you a spoon, little baby spoon. I got me a little baby spoon.
That's a
We're just gonna-
weird looking
I
spoon.
know, it's really cool, huh? So we're gonna take those and just put them right on the top. All right, doesn't take a whole lot. Think we got it?
Yep.
Does that look good?
Really good.
All right. Heck yeah. Perfect for me leprechauns. Sweet. All right. Should we eat them?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, we should. All right. You grab one, I'll grab one. If I could grab one. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hmm. Those are good. Those are really, really good. And they're easy enough for you to make on your own now that you know how. The cool thing is, it hits all of those taste buds that we really, really like in a snack. You've got the crunchy, salty pretzel with the sweet chocolate. Who doesn't love that? And then at the very end, you got this little tart fruitiness going on. It just balances out the whole thing. Oh, I love that. You can feel it right here. I'm gonna eat some more of these, I think. So, was this episode of Cooking with Kids a success?
Yes.
Yeah?
Really.
Awesome. That was fun. That was very creative. Way to go.
Okay.
You did awesome.
You
Okay.
did too.
All right, let's go snack on these. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, toodaloo.